if you're struggling to determine the cause of your SRS light on Renault Scenic, Megane, Mk2, probably other Renaults from that era as well, so sort of mid 2000s, take the steering wheel off and the airbag, having first disconnected the battery, and what you're looking for is a fault with the clock spring mechanism. Now there's a ribbon carrying 4 or 5 contacts inside that is wound around the inside of this, which is why you don't really take them apart. And what should happen is that it's connected on the inside, and it's obviously then should be connected externally as well. So what I've discovered is you can prise up this little cover, a little bit of jiggery pokery there, and what you're looking for is the ribbon coming out of here and being connected in there. If you can't see the ribbon, obviously you can't see it here either. I've had all this apart, I've had a good old play with it to really understand it. This one is knackered. So if, like this, you can't see the ribbon coming out and going into this connector, just assume this is absolutely toast. So don't even bother trying, just get another one. Equally, if the ribbon is here, I don't know whether it means it could be torn at the other end. I don't know what the chances of that are. But anyway, just to save you lots of hair pulling and trying to work out why your codes are sending you in different directions, I had B1007, B1008 pre-tensioner codes, which suggests a common cause, and in this instance the common cause turned out to be the clock spring squib. Okay, all the best.